what hypnosis really is, beyond the philosophy, beyond the techniques, beyond the understanding. Hypnosis is teaching your brain to learn. Hypnosis is teaching your brain to learn. Your brain is always learning through experiences. Your brain is regularly in a state of trance, and always there are stories happening, that hypnotic, even unconscious story that is creating your experience and perception of reality. And so hypnosis is an opportunity for changing behaviors, and we can change behaviors with our conscious brain and that effort or exertion of willpower, but often we need a pain or we need a reward to motivate us. What's so amazing and freeing about hypnosis is that when you understand within your own mind how to teach your own mind, it exponentially continues to learn. It is fantastic, this electrical, biochemical web that's in there, and it's talking, and it's even talking quantumly to your experience, the future and the past of time. And so all of this potential is right here for you to really, like a matchstick, just strike that learning change and teach your brain to open up and receive and experience all of your potential and all of the desires that you have in your heart. I use heart math, biofeedback tools and processes. I love this concept that it is the heart which holds the most power even over the brain. And so when you are in that heart intelligence, that is really when you are synced up coherently to this web in which you exist and create. And it's just a fun sort of harmony dance. So I invite you to really show up at any of the workshops that I'm doing once a week for free, so that you can experience more for yourself and you can get access, lifetime access to the organized Rolodex and the simplified, clear, top-facing meta equations of how to teach your own brain better things. I'm Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis, excited to give you the tools of self-hypnosis so that you can apply them to your everyday life and any need.